Hi class, welcome to week 4. In this video I'm going to go over the objectives and also the assigned tasks that you need to complete. Let's take a look at Canvas. Here's our Canvas homepage. If we go to modules and then down to week 4, we'll see the week 4 objectives here at the top. If we click on them, we can see that by the end of week 4 you should be able to calculate the standard error of the mean, apply confidence intervals, identify type 1 and type 2 errors, calculate the correlation coefficient, create a scatter plot, and predict an individual score on one variable according to their score on a related variable. In order to accomplish these objectives right here, if we go back, please study and review PowerPoint 6 and 7, which are listed right here. Below the PowerPoints is our how-to video, How-To Video 4. Please watch and study this video carefully. How-To Video 4 will help you answer questions for Assignment 4, which is listed down below here. In order to complete Assignment 4, simply click on the Assignment 4 icon and then the Student Word document right here. Here's the Assignment 4 Word document. Before you start, please type in your name at the top left corner of the page, and then you can proceed to answer the questions. Again, these questions will require you to use Excel. After you complete all the questions for Assignment 4, then please save your Assignment 4 with your answers to each question on your computer. Once you save your Assignment 4 with all your answers, then you can go back to Canvas and submit Assignment 4. To do so, if we go back to Canvas and the Assignment 4 icon, if we go down below and click Upload Files, go Browser Files, find your Assignment 4 with all of your answers saved to your computer, click on it, and then hit Open. Once you do so, it should appear right here. And then in order to submit it for grading, simply click on the Submit Assignment right here. The next assigned tasks for week 4 are quizzes 5 and 6. It's important to note that the questions for quiz 5 come from material covered in PowerPoint 6, and the questions for quiz 6 come from material covered in PowerPoint 7. So pay particular attention to the content covered in these PowerPoints because you'll be quizzed on it in quizzes 5 and 6. To complete quiz 5, simply click on the link right here. If we take a look at the instructions, once started, you'll have 15 minutes to complete the quiz. The deadline for completing quiz 5 is listed here. For this quiz, you'll have 5 multiple choice and true-false questions to answer. In order to start quiz 5, hit Begin. And then you can proceed to answer the questions. After you answer one question, then you can click on the next icon and then go to the next question and answer that one, and so forth and so forth. After you complete all 5 questions for this quiz, then you can click Submit, and that should submit your quiz for grading. After you complete quiz 5, you'll complete quiz 6 in a similar fashion. Remember, each quiz will consist of 5 multiple choice and true-false questions. The last assigned task for this week is your midterm exam. Down below is the midterm exam. You see it right here. I also have a midterm exam review, which is listed right above it. This review can help you study for the exam. Let's take a look at the review first. To open up the review, click on the icon, and then you can click on the link here. Here is the midterm exam review. If you take a look at the top, it says the questions in the midterm exam will come from material covered in weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4. The midterm exam will consist of 20 multiple choice and true-false questions. Use this review along with the PowerPoints and how-to videos to help study for the midterm exam. As you can see in this review, I've broken it down into weeks and what you need to know from each week. If you have a good understanding of all these things that I have here for each week, then you should do well in the midterm exam. This midterm exam review, it's not for a grade, but my advice is take advantage of this review and use it to help study before you actually take the midterm exam. Let's go back to Canvas. To take the midterm exam, simply click on the link right here. Here are the instructions. Once you start the midterm exam, you'll have 60 minutes to complete it. The deadline for completing the midterm exam is listed here. Remember, the exam will consist of 20 multiple choice and or true-false questions. To start the midterm exam, click Begin. And then you can proceed to answer the questions. After you answer one question, to go to the next one, click the next icon right here. And then you can go to the next question and answer that one. And you'll do that for the remainder of the exam. After you completed all 20 questions on the midterm exam, then please hit Submit, and that should submit your midterm exam for grading. Okay, I think that's it for week 4. I hope you have a great week. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.